we're gonna, we're gonna take a look at example 1 about getting a personal loan. And basically all we are doing is finding out the total interest paid. In order to do that, we're gonna use the monthly payment formula, just like we did back when we did mortgage payments. Same formula, same idea. Find the monthly payment, find the total of all payments, and then find the total interest paid. So taking a look at example number 1 here, it says that you need a $4,000 loan. The bank is going to offer you that money over 2 years at a rate of 8.50%. So when I'm looking at that, that is your principal, that is your time value, and then this is your rate. Now, the only thing that I would do with that rate, I would take that 8.50, and I would divide it by 100, just so that I already convert it to 0.0850 before we plug into our next formula that's up at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in to my formula here. When I do that, it's going to look like my monthly payment. Actually, you guys, I'm going to do it over here on the side. I apologize. So that monthly payment is going to look like this fraction, 4,000 is my principal value times the rate divided by 12. So I'm going to use that 0.0850 divided by 12. That's everything in my numerator, nothing crazy. In the denominator, it looks like 1 minus 1 plus, same fraction, 0.0850 divided by 12. And the most important thing here is that this exponent is going to be to the negative 12 times the time value, and in this scenario, it was 2. So I'm going to go to Desmos really quick, and I'm going to type that in just like it looks. I'm going to start with the division key, 4,000, and then in parentheses, my rate converted to a decimal and divided by 12. Close that parenthesis off so it looks right. And then in the denominator, it looks like 1 minus, and then open parentheses, 1 plus. Same fraction again, 0.0850 divided by 12. I'm going to arrow over to close that off because it's 1 plus rate divided by 12 in parentheses, shift 6, and then negative 12 times 2. Okay, so if you need that exponent, quick key is shift 6. Make sure you make it negative. I'm going to go ahead and round this off. 0.822 is just going to round off at 82 cents, so it won't round up. So find that monthly payment. That monthly payment looks like 181. 82. It keeps changing off of whatever color I pick. So it's been fun. 180, easy peasy. Find the total of all payments. You guys, this is pretty basic. Finding the total of all payments. You are going, and I'm going to do it over here on the side, the work, and then I'll put the answer underneath there. Finding the total of all payments, you're going to take the monthly payment amount, in this case, 181.82. You are going to multiply that by 12. Sorry, guys, that is a 12. And you are multiplying that by the year value. This was a 2-year loan. So go into Desmos. I am going to retype this 181.82. Okay. And I am multiplying it by 12 and 2. So I can see over the life of the loan, if I make this monthly payment 12 times a year for 2 years, I'm actually paying $43.63.68. Okay, I only had to pick yellow 3 times in order for it to write in yellow. Okay, so $43.63.68. Now, the easiest part here is when I want to find the total interest paid, I'm actually just going to subtract 4,000 because that was my original loan amount. And you could use this on the calculator. You don't really need to. This one's pretty easy. The total interest paid or the total finance charge is $363.68. Find your monthly payment, find your total of all payments, and then you're going to subtract your original loan amount to find total interest paid.